class 11th E, bio class. Myself B.V. Yadav. I shall teach you as a bioscience means biology. Therefore, today our topic is the animal kingdom. Already you have learned about the 5 kingdom system of the classification given by Whittaker in 1969. First kingdom is the Monera, second is the Protista, third is the fungi, and fourth is the plantae, and last is the Animalia. So we want to discuss about the Animalia. Animalia is known as animal kingdom. What do you mean by animals? Animals means air or breathe or soul. Means I say ऑर्गेनिक जो सांस लेते हैं, ब्रीथ करते हैं और हवा लेते हैं, वो क्या है? एनिमल्स हैं. एनिमल्स किंगडम इज द लार्जेस्ट किंगडम characterized by the multicellular eukaryotic animals. Multicellular animals are multicellular means made up of the many cells. And eukaryotic means well-defined nucleus are present. They are called eukaryotes. And animals forms, they are also known as metazoa means multicellular animals. It includes around 1.2 million species of the animals. Today 1.2 million species of the animals are known. From Porifera to Chordata. Porifera is primitive organisms. In this way, is this chapter में we shall learn one is the basis of the classification. एनिमल का किस आधार पर उनको क्लासीफाई किया गया, कौन से ऐसे कॉमन फीचर थे, और ऑल दोज देयर डिफरेंसेस इन स्ट्रक्चर एंड फॉर्म ऑफ डिफरेंट एनिमल्स. वस्तुतः एनिमल्स की स्ट्रक्चर अलग अलग होती है, एट देयर आर सम फंडामेंटल कॉमन फीचर आर यूज्ड एज द बेसिस ऑफ द क्लासिफिकेशन. These features are follows. First is the levels of the body organization, and second is the body symmetry, and third is the general layer, and fourth is coelom or body cavity. So levels of body organization means there are categorized based on the absence of the coelom. Acoelomate animals means absence of acoelomate animals. Coelomates means those animals possess to the coelom as a particular body cavity. They are called as coelomate animals. Based on the animals are categorized. Those animals they do not possess to the coelom, they are called acoelomate, whereas those animals possess to the coelom, they are known as the coelomate animals. And body symmetry, if cut to the any animals, if they are divided into equal halves, they are symmetrical, but they do not, they are called as asymmetrical. And third is the germinal layer. During embryonic stage, the animals are made up of the 3 germinal layer, ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm. Based on the germinal layer, the animals is divided. Those which contain only two layer, germinal layer, ectoderm and endoderm, and intervening a particular layer known as the mesoglia. They are known as diploblastic animals. Whereas the three germinal layer, ectoderm and mesoderm. Mesoderm is located between the ectoderm and endoderm. These kinds of the animals, they are called as the triploblastic animals. And last characteristic basis of the classification is the coelom or body cavity. Means those animals which possess to the coelom, they are called as coelomate, but those who are not, they are called as acoelomate animals. And levels of body organization. Levels of body organization means some are the cellular level. Cellular level. Some are the cellular level. Cellular level means as a particular cells that perform to a particular function. Example in members of the porifera, thymocyte. Thymocyte as a particular cells that store to the food substances. And tissue grade level, body organization, tissue level grade. क्या है? टिश्यू लेवल. टिश्यू लेवल body organization means a particular tissue that perform to a particular function known as tissue level of body organization. In this way, it is the basis of classification. We discuss about one by one as a detail. First is the level of the body organization in next video. Thank you.